Welcome to Pollen Weather by Pollen Wise App. It's Thursday, September 10th. I'm Landon Bunderson, and this is the place for daily allergy news and forecasts. The National Weather Service maps are not available today, so we'll do our best without their rain and air quality services. As far as weather goes, we're looking at the possibility of heavy rains and isolated flash flooding across portions of the southern and central plains and mid-Atlantic today. Expect below average temperatures in the central and southern plains today and tomorrow, although things are warming up a bit. Looking at the pollen forecast, there's a nice big low to moderate pollen area predicted in the top center of the map, thanks to cool and wet weather. It will be fun to see if Denver and Cheyenne are done with the ragweed as things warm up and dry out. We'll keep an eye on that and let you know what it looks like tomorrow. There's another nice low to moderate pollen area predicted on the East Coast from Virginia to Florida. The rest of the country is experiencing high to very high pollen levels. Almost everyone is still in the chenopod and ragweed season, though sagebrush mugwort levels are slowly ticking up. West Coast, your pollen levels are high thanks in part to windy conditions. You guys probably shouldn't be going outside anyway. The smoky conditions are terrible. Over on the mold map, high mold is still a problem in California. Again, why would you even go outside, right? Mold has moderated a bit in Utah and Wyoming. The ground is wet in a lot of those places and the wind has calmed down, which is likely the reason. Kentucky, New Orleans, Oklahoma City, you've got some high mold levels. I think that will go up and not down tomorrow, at least in areas that don't get heavy rain. You probably already know that fires on the West Coast are a huge problem, and anyone downwind is getting smoke as well. Since the West Coast air quality is getting kind of repetitive, I thought I would show you some of the images we've captured with our sensors. We capture and image the smoke particles along with the pollen and mold, though we haven't begun to report them on our app yet. I've highlighted one particle on each of these frames in a red box to give you an idea of which ones are the smoke particles. We hope to have smoke particle counts on the app very soon. Thursday's feature is the bar graph race. This is the afternoon of the 8th, so 2 days ago. It's just cool to see how things progress throughout the day. Salt Lake starts out high at 1 p.m., followed by San Francisco, which quickly takes over the number 1 slot when it spikes at 8,700 pollen grains per cubic meter at 3 p.m. Later in the afternoon, Phoenix takes over the top spot. Thanks for listening. Remember, you can find previous episodes on the Pollen Channel on YouTube, the only place for real hourly pollen and mold counts.